navigating troubles, understanding, getting into trouble. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, getting into trouble. This phrase is common in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. So, let's explore what it means to get into trouble, how you can use this phrase in different contexts, and some examples to make it clear. Stick around till the end for some handy tips. Getting into trouble refers to the act of entering into a situation where there are problems, difficulties, or consequences. This trouble can be minor, like accidentally breaking a glass, or serious, like violating a law. The key element here is the negative outcome or difficulty that arises from an action or situation. With authorities. In scenarios involving law, school, or any formal settings, getting into trouble usually means breaking rules or laws, leading to punishments or disciplinary actions. For example, he got into trouble for cheating on the test. In personal relationships. Here, it means causing disappointment, anger, or sadness to friends, family, or partners. For instance, I got into trouble with my parents for coming home late. At work. In the workplace, it can mean making mistakes or decisions that negatively affect your job or relationship with colleagues and superiors. She got into trouble for missing the project deadline. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various tenses depending on the context. Past tense, I got into trouble for losing my temper. Present continuous, he's getting into trouble for not following instructions. Future, you will get into trouble if you continue to ignore the rules. It's also common to use this phrase in advice or warnings. Don't get into trouble by neglecting your studies. Understanding the phrase isn't just about language learning. It's also about cultural insights. In many English-speaking cultures, avoiding trouble is seen as important. Here are some tips. Think before you act. Consider the consequences of your actions. Follow the rules and laws. They are usually there for a reason. Communicate effectively. Misunderstandings can often lead to trouble. We hope this explainer has helped you understand what it means to get into trouble in English. Remember, understanding phrases like these can enrich your language skills and help you navigate English conversations more confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video, and remember, stay out of trouble.